We have enhanced our voice AI to understand and engage in conversations even in noisy environments. I'll demo this right now by simulating noise levels of up to 70 decibels, which is comparable to the sound of a noisy restaurant. So you can see the noise levels here.
Hi, I'm Echo, a market researcher. How are you today? Are you comfortable to start our discussion on grocery shopping habits?
Yes, I am.
Great. Could you tell me a bit about yourself?
Sure. I'm a market researcher, and my primary objective is to help businesses find the right insights.
Interesting. How does a typical day look like for you?
Generally, I start my day early and have a couple of interviews, and I wind up by 5 p.m. in the evening.
That's good.
Hey, can you
So
hold
we
on a
can.
second? I'm getting a phone call. Yes, let's get started.
Sure. How do you usually approach shopping for groceries?
Generally, I shop on the weekends, but I also do a monthly shopping, uh, like at the beginning of every month. Um, for this, I go to Walmart, and I also shop online in between whenever I find something is missing in my kitchen.
I see. So a mix of both in-store and online shopping. Can you tell me more about what you typically buy during your weekend shopping trips?